The internet has brought about incredible changes and opportunities like never before. Did you know it's actually possible to make a full-time income online through selling other people's products? And I'm not talking about making a small commission here. I'm talking about more like 30, 50, sometimes even 75% when you make a sale. And of course, you could do all of this without even leaving your home through the amazing new opportunity provided by affiliate marketing. Now think about that for a minute, being able to sell things without having to stock or fulfill it yourself. Just bring in a sale and collect your commission. We'd love to share more with you about this exciting new opportunity that countless others online are already using to create full-time incomes. To learn more, simply follow the directions on this very page. We look forward to sharing our secrets with you.